Rock Entertainment presents The Chronicles of Ushbebe live in Wari, Yadadi 23.
Mingo Bonnet. I said Mingo now. She went there, Alright, listen to me. What is wickedness? You they ask me for loan and you put your WhatsApp for disappearing message. People wicked though, you won't delete evidence. Hey, now wow. Okay. Koko, you don't say you offend me, Abi. You offend me. You offend me. I'll forgive you. I'll forgive you. Yeah, don't say that so my own be. If you offend me, I'll tell you publicly, I'll forgive you. Yeah, how are they? Yeah, my name is Destalker, the comedy catalyst, the author one of Nigerian comedy. You know me, the one of Adeshokbe Kingdom. The other Ben Koyesi Wa. Ego na Bom Wa. Do you know me, one of Delta State. Listening to me by birth, I be comedian and I funny. Maybe you call it, they talk about you they try you. What is your name? They say to prick to and they appeal. Now wow. Baby, what I say this show you make up. Now when you put me for that born ayat, that would make sense. Oh, they here? Leader. Oh, my helper. I didn't know hotel when it makes sense. Now, two towel. Oh, I'm not going to understand this part. I'm not going to understand this part. Two towel. I mean, because I mean, made them put two towel. Two towel. If you carry the guy get one, you get one. If you are here, you are still lodging in a hotel with one towel, you are poor. Yes. No, you think I'm now. You think I'm. You think, you say, wait, you know, say, now this thing made them know they carry you out. Maserati. Massacre. You see this guy? If you and this guy enter August, you'll get problems. You know, get work, they just answer, what did they do today? You say, nothing, no. See, people when get table, they drink 23 years, they use water, they make juice. Later, you say you get low sperm count. Now, let's start properly. For low sperm count, who died there? Now you destroy the money. Abi, who they give you? I swear, now me get low sperm count. Either way, Father Lord, let my mouth don't make me offend my helper. Jesus. And I say he escort who gettable. I mean, are you by massacre and I follow you? Children of God, listen to. Okay, you call me. I've been you just do one like this. Hey, come on, I'm a white. Calm down. Oh, $100. We will confirm whether I'm original. We will call food down. You call Trump for Grammy, he rise. He rise. Oh, that's born higher. Jesus, God bless you. Sir, the room where they put me, I don't know the room 101. Call the management, I beg. I did my room, I just hear, I'm sorry, let's start properly. Hey, they call me, hey, God, okay, don't worry. For you to spend money, I don't want to stress you. Master can stand up and pass. Oh, God. DJ way. Now, sir, for you to give me naira with pounds. Oh, now the Seaman Global be this. You don't have comedians, so because of this money, when you give me your number. The next joke now I go send up for you for WhatsApp. Forget to this country rules now for poor men. You dey hear me? Correct. I'll hold the pounds. This is the only currency that have son name. Pounds sterling. Life too sweet, oh. Now when you hold. Kingmaker. Where you dey? The way you take spend time with me for Lagos, I know say your money no go reach worry. I know. I do birthday May 12. This man flew into Lagos on the 10th. Steady. June. See as you sit down here last court. Like who they advise? Spend wisely. You be my friend. Spend wisely. Spend wisely. Last court, they advise her. How you tell they spend? Advise her. See last court, if they spend money wisely, if last court, you know, say last court a big man, you know they carry again, I guess they carry him. You know? Last court they do contribution before they carry, they do contribution. Osusu. Last court, big shout out to you. Listen, I don't know how you know him, but when I did my show in Warri, in one day, Last court sold 12 tables for this show. Please, a round of applause for Last court. Yes, if person do you talk about him. Abi, leader, sir, who are thou? Paul I know, Silas I know. Who are thou? You know, say there's something about greatness. As you just sit down, I dey feel say in get. I dey feel say in get. I been a prank. Hey, Odiobo, how are you, sir? Yeah, I go say cause say sign money, na government money. No mind no more. You see the way you just dey so. Dey like that too. Now this country you go still get problem. They advise you get the same problem. Now this worry you go see who no get work. They advise you say your salary too small. You no get to. How you go lost for hotel? Born higher. Let's go back to the hotel gist. All right. Hello, sir. Okay, sir. I'm here. Here am I. Call me. Oh, money good. See the circle. Listen, when friends get and they did circle, now be second friends. Oh yo Jesus, where yo? Now my guy yo, where in there? Oh yo. Correct, you be correct guy. Yeah. Hello? Hey. Hush. I can't support you. It also, sorry. Also. Those people whenever pay table, now you go collect a move from tomorrow, now you call and say, put the show, no sweet too. I know what they talk, I do show you. Coco, you try. Thanks for the love. Thanks for clap. If anybody wanna call now, clap. I know they call useless person. Please put your hands together for Coco. Wait, yo. Last call, God bless you. Don Israel. You just quiet. What happened? Who dupe you? Who dupe him? What happened? The way you spent last year, no say your money no go enter. I know. But the spend we bring. So you sit down now like Jehovah Witness. Anyway, I know what they think now. As they throw money, so you go tell them, don't worry. God's time is the best. Lupeng number one. No. Big shout out. No, I didn't respect. No. You know, say because of your contribution, Obakporo, they get award for you. You know, say na so my show be. I did lie inside my own platform. I get 5 minutes. I get 5 minutes. Inside the 5 minutes. Yeah, Bakporo, come. Yes, let's do it. And I said, what is worth doing is worth doing well. Beautiful. See award now. Yes, that's your Bakporo. We're a big boy. Oh! My presenter, oh God, sir, please, can we have you, please? They say you did shy. That's what they tell me. Now they tell me I talk. I know say I be outbound do. My papa say who they get epilepsy, no be stranger for dead body because he die every day. Aye, skege. Marida. Marida. Also Marida. Oh! Don Israel. Don't say you get chairman. Jesus. Man, come down. For the reason to do PA for you, you owe. Jesus. Now, man, yeah, worry to the world. A word of appreciation presented to Comrade William Akporiha, most outstanding Delta personality 2024. Please, sir, let me use this privilege. Yeah! What now so that? My papa said I want to touch brick, now touch brocos. Now let's start properly. DJ way. Congratulations, sir. Listen to me. Any work you sign to do it with your full heart. Sir? Beautiful. How you go sign hookup? You don't know say to do hookup work, you must get some security consciousness. One girl start hookup now. Only 3 days, she resigned. I say, why? He said, because she know the quick wake up. You do a shower. Hey, try. Oh, yo, Jesus, get there. Oh, yo. Who pay tight? Anyway, all these men of God, they too get ways. Oh, say if you don't want this to tight for you, pay tight. Men of God, now get young. Listen to me. Ambassador Prayer, how are you? Bemu, Prayer, Abi. You know, sir, as I make him, what will be your position? SA, sir. As I make him SA, I can say, man, celebrate him for my church. Now I invite him to come Lagos. He said, may he come alone, come with a woman. And the woman told person. Our ushers will not get respect. No say they call the direct orange go children department. Orange they shout for that. I can feed all of you. I can. They say children. Baby start to do. Baby. We will play me double now. Is that here? You the fuck. Jesus. Please, as you are drinking, know your limit. Oh, honorable sirs. Sir, you know say who they pour drink, no they hide. Sir, the last one will do here, one bakoro bring me. One more drink finish. Now we go last court. He forget say he's married. Now I carry a shower from last court, go meet your wife. Did your neighbor get shame? As you see, I say my wife, meet Ashawo. Ashawo, meet my. Let's live in peace and. Did you wait? Now 2 days ago, we bury him. Now let's go back to Hayat. Good. You know, now some my joke they be. Daddy they never tell you. Born Hayat. Now so you know say if you get money. Listen, you will just get taste. You understand? People when they poor, no, they get taste. Sir, am I communicating? Yes, people when poor, no, they get taste too. Now it makes you say poor men and they born plenty children. Poor men, no. Any get job bring belle come. I get belle for you because you don't get money for the and say bring and I got the bring children. Last call. I know say success they come with a lot of temptation. If I know, I for the same with my papa for Ugeli. Small success now I won't get just come from nowhere. How many award I don't make? How many as I don't buy? Shey Brody, big up for you. Thank you, sir. You did show love. God bless you. God bless. Please a round of applause for Shey Brody. Yes. They show love. Oh, if you go meet him. I met him 3 days for my show in Abuja. He still push for me. He said the soccer is very tight, but I will still walk. Listen, who good. Anywhere you dey, who good go show you say is it good. Sir, now I won't get tell me say my pikin. Mona here, true life story. You know why they tell you now? So that in case 2 days on post time, when I call comment say we don't hear them before. I control the social media space. Do you know, sir? The girl that tell me say my pikin. Now 9 years. My pikin. So I don't be father. Because of my level now, I don't build some things now. So I want to protect my property. Now I say me go do DNA. Jesus. So I don't know say DNA cost. I don't know because now who they get police case, they know when they renovate police station. No joke, sir. Do you know as I reach, I see one man with 4 children. As I enter the man, they shout, "For what? Am I selling them?" I don't know what will happen. Now the man just said, "Let's go." Now he and the 4 children come out. Now they say, "Sir, you?" I say, "Me?" They say, "Yes." Now I carry them with the 9-year-old girl. Now they say, "What I want to do?" I say, "DNA." They say, "Which type?" I say, "I don't know." So I want to find out who born. This beginner, they say paternity test. Okay, write it down. I know why. Write it down. Paternity test. Now they get type. I don't know what he check. But now I say 750,000. As I hear the price, now look the girl. We resemble. Now I say Lulu. He said Daddy. I said let's go. As they go now, the girl says, "Are you not doing it again?" I say, "You know, they see our nose." Now let's go back to the hotel. Ogami, now so my joke be now you be case study. Who lodge for? How you go lodge for one hotel with one towel? You see, get my carry girl. I know say by right, federal government approve. I shower suppose first you wake. Anybody when first a shower wake, now you be the shower. Oh, massacre, you know they understand this joke. You know say Ashawo and Ashawo can use to anyhow because they know say they not carry them again. Massacre, the way they laugh. I hope I'm not sharing your story. I understand people when enjoy my joke and I understand who they laugh from experience.
No, say, I will just wake up. Now they will feel back. No, but when they take risk, all the married women in the house make some noise. Married women, wait, married women, they marry you. Not be you marry the man. Make some noise. See, short married men, few women. You are not wife. They hustle. They're not supposed to enjoy. You bring side chick. No, shall be That's so true. They pay. Keep quiet. Shall be All those women that they try you. Let me warn you, married men that are here. Those are my wife that they try you. Know what he did? He did as with children. You did here. Another girl they enjoy. Carry girl where you don't know from nowhere. Some of them get ancestral cost. Spiritual problem everywhere. You carry on. Go lost for hotel when you don't know. Call lockdown. Throw away key. Say baby. But wait till women they enjoy you. You know say if man and woman go lost for hotel, if the girl they yell, if the girl die, una they take risk. If imagine you carry the girl called die. In social media, you're going to receive different messages. Justice for Jessica. But Mema die. You hear this is a lesson for all the married men. Jesus! Okay. Hey, OTB, calm down now. What's wrong with you? Oh, now wanna kill me for last, uncle. Okay, they go up, Jen. How much for 2 hours? I won't pay. Okay, beautiful. Mo buy this. The yell if you carry girl, this is. But men when they try, you just carry girl where you don't know. Some go see give head though, Edward. And some of us are married and never given a wife head though. You just carry who you don't know, who you don't know. Eh? Now someone carry girl, no say the girl day period. As they walk enter bedroom, now he see mirror. He shocked. Because the answer said, who am I? I'm sorry, let me round up. Give me 1 minute, let's round up. Now, no beggars you try. True. Women, now some of them go they complain to their friends. This joke is for the women. All the married women, oh yeah. See the sweet there. Yes. Now listen, you're going to tell your friend, my wife they change you, my wife thought they change you, my wife thought they act like this, so Baba, you brought change from outside. Because sexual intercourse work with spirit. You carry this on, you carry this on, you carry this on. You know they use condom, carry this on. Urobome they say, I get strong gene, idiot. You carry useless disease. Come meet your wife. You share spirit of a shower, give your wife. Your wife there also, you know they go anywhere. After 2 weeks, your wife will behave. Because you don't exchange spirit of Jessica with your wife. You just make love to your wife, or your own wife for 4 years in marriage. Your wife will just wake up. He say, where's the money? I want to go. Who brought change? This joke, married men when they cheat, no go laugh. No, now some my joke they be. Oh, God, laugh, John. Wait, how you go done? Sir, now let me do this last one and I leave. You just guess, carry girl. First of all, if you are playing for breakthrough, Coco, they listen to me. The Lord said I should call your name. I don't know what you have with the Lord. What's that? Why be say rich men, they always get one guy where you know they get, but now they be spokesman. I dey talk to Koko, you dey do Otuba. Otuba Koko, no. Otuba Koko when I follow talk, never talk. See you, Jaguar. I'm signing up, bro. I'm signing up. Hey, man, they pack the money, man, and not delay me. Now, you don't carry get one, get one. Go hotel when get one towel. Acha will go first, you wake up. But Acha will try you. You just wake up, Acha will don't bath, don't dress. Sit down for the edge of the bed. They look you. How you dey feel? No. How you dey feel? Listen, how you dey feel? Get when you are naked at the same time. As you open eyes, she don't dress. They do like this. You will answer and you don't wake. She will go say, sins. And you are praying for breakthrough. I know say the girls that they use to wear now when get bad finish. The way that they use to wear, you go shock. Men, you know why I men they used to wear. Women, they go used to wear near the vest like this. When they're clipping it, they'll call hold the towel like this. They'll call the do jangle over. I know as they do like at the middle, they're the middle. Muku, you can't wake up around 9. The same towel. You don't buy finish, you can't carry that same towel. Somebody say towel. Somebody say towel. Say towel. You can't carry the middle put for your glory. Good night.
Skybrook Entertainment presents The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live in Warri, Yadadi 23.